Hey there, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. So today I have a very interesting video. I always have interesting videos, guys. Don't worry. If you haven't watched my other videos, please do. That's why I'm telling you, I always have interesting videos. So today I have an interesting video just to show you multiple ways of using a gadget that most of us have in our homes, but we underutilize it. Yes, we don't utilize it to the maximum. Yet you bought it with your money, but you don't want to utilize it to the maximum. So I'm here to broaden the possibilities of what you can do with this gadget. And the gadget that I'm talking about is right next to me. Yes, this is the microwave. I'm sure most people have it in their homes. So today I'm here to show you the very many things you can make using your microwave. Yes, meals, actual meals, food you can eat. So it's not every day that you use your gas. It's not every day that you use your ovens, your air fryers, and everything. Sometimes break the monotony and just make use of this body over here, because so many of us just underutilize it. So I'm here to show you several meals that you can make using your microwave, and it only takes minutes, not hours. Probably hours, but okay, not hours, because the accumulative time maybe would be uh, maximum an hour, putting into consideration you have to prepare for the ingredients and everything. But the actual cook time, this actually takes minutes, and it will save you on time if you're a student, if you don't have time, if your gas is out, if you don't. So let's get right into it so I can show you the dishes that you can make. But kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and thank you so much for the returning subscribers, for the people who keep on commenting, who keep on appreciating the work that we do. We love you so much, and we appreciate you right back. And let's get right into it. Next thing we are making in our microwave is some popcorn. Plain bag, no kernels left, guys. This is what you should do. This is actually what you should be using to make your popcorns. So for you to make microwaved popcorns or popcorns in your microwave, you need a brown bag or a bag or a popcorn bag. So I had this bag. This is a bag that I'm going to be using. So you just put it on there. Then you take your popcorn. These are the popcorn seeds that I'm going to use. Add them up to your bag like that. You can see that's what we have. Then to this is about a 1/4 cup of popcorn seeds. We are going to add 2 bottle cups of oil. You can use any oil of choice. You can use canola oil, you can use olive oil, you can use your normal vegetable oil. Any oil of choice is acceptable. So you just pour that in. If you have a bag that doesn't spill oil, the better, so that the oil doesn't all go to the bag. Then to this I'll add some salt, just about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There we have our popcorn in a bag. So you just want to mix this up so that the oil can coat the popcorn seeds. As you can see, they're all oily. And now we are going to pop this in the microwave. So you just want to ensure this is closed up like that. Then just pop that in the microwave and let it cook. So that's at the 0.6 minutes. So we'll give it some time until you start hearing the popcorn pop. That's when you know your popcorn is almost ready or ready. You can hear them pop. So you just want to be careful not to overcook and burn them. So once the popping stops, just open your microwave or switch off and your popcorns will be ready. So the popping is off. So I think all the popcorn seeds have popped. So I'll just open the microwave. And you can see, oh my, this is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. Popcorn in a bag already, ready to eat. And voila, this is amazing. Wow. Perfectly popped popcorns in the microwave for only 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. It was at the 6th minute, now it's at 8. It was at the 9 mark, now it's at the 8 point something. So about 2 minutes of popping and you have perfectly popped popcorns. Guys, would you not try this out? Forget the hassle of putting your popcorn in the cooking pan and second guessing yourself if they'll be ready in about I don't know how long. This is a perfect way to make your popcorns very fast. Movie night just got upgraded with our microwave popcorns for only 2 minutes. I hope you'll try this recipe out, guys. Give a like to this video if you're enjoying it, and let's get into the next item. From the inside, you can see potatoes in your microwave, as easy as ABC.